Will you be heading to the Bahamas soon? Well, one of the first things that you must try is a fresh conch salad, a local delicacy and favorite among travelers. If you'll be in Nassau, head over to the Marina village at the Atlantis dock, where you'll find McKenzie's fresh conch and Daiquiri bar. There, the fresh conch is delivered daily, and Kenneth, the local friendly Bahamian, will prepare you either the traditional or tropical conch salad. The only difference is the tropical has pineapple and mango added for a fruitier flavor.
Coming from there, but it hang like the guts.
Mr. Campbell, spring was coming, and Gregory said that there was hide and licking. Untitled was the real big man, a lot of songs.
Is that habanero?
This is similar thing. Call it the goat whip.
Stopping the train from a brethren's song.
I'm ordered that one. I don't have the sky.
They capture our hearts so quickly. Where did they go so swiftly?
Just the conch salad.
Lately we've been making changes, all we want them to be.
I appreciate it.
How long have you been making it for?
Well, over here, we've been over here like almost 2 years now.
Great, thank
But I've
you.
been making it all my life. Since I was a baby kid. 10
Thank you.
years old.
Great.